Today I'm going to show you how to set up your TSO Parallel Guides to make narrow rips with your track saw. Hi, I'm Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart woodshop for yourself or one of my workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go purchase plans and download them instantaneously 24/7. 365. To set up the TSO Parallel Guides for narrow rips is a quick and easy procedure. The first thing I want to do is remove the smaller standard calibration rods, and then I'll take the calibration rods provided by TSO for the narrow rips. I'm going to slide them in the same place that the shorter rods went, and I have the flip stop up so the rod is over the top of the track. I don't need a combination square or any kind of measuring device to set this up. I'm going to simply take a scrap piece of material, thicker material, that's taller than the track itself, and then I'm going to set the flip stop to a dimension. In this case, I'm going to use 10 inches, and I'm just going to touch it right to the splinter guard on the track because that's where the cut is made. That's where the blade on the saw rides right along that splinter guard. And then I'm just simply going to slide the calibration rod until it just touches, and then I'll tighten it in position. That's all there is to setting it up for the narrow rip. To make the rip, the first thing I want to do is pull the flip stops back because the rods actually go under the track, and then I want to slide them to the measurement that I want to cut. 10 is 0, so I want to cut a 3.5 inch rip, so I'll set it to 13.5. So now I'm set up to make my 3.5 inch rip. What I need to do is support the track. So I have some scraps of material that are the same thickness as the material that I'm cutting. And I just want to position them to support the track. Make sure the material is touching the calibration rods. So I can feel that underneath there. I can push it up good and tight. 3.5, 3.5. So that's how easy it is to use your track saw to make narrow rip. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.